Those Brembo calipers are painted blue, the same blue Honda uses throughout this entire interior. And if you think that's just a styling choice, you're missing the whole point of what Honda just did here. This is the 2026 Prelude, and everyone keeps calling it a hybrid Civic Coupe. They're wrong. The exterior is aggressive without trying too hard. Slim LED headlights that look like they were pulled from a concept car, clean surfaces, a liftback that actually works, and flush door handles because Honda laser brazes the roofline, which means no roof molding and no visual breaks in the body. It looks fast sitting still, and that low roofline is not just for show. Under the hood sits a two-motor hybrid system producing 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 happens in around 6 seconds. But forget the numbers for a second. This powertrain delivers instant electric torque off the line. Then the 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine kicks in seamlessly. No CVT, no torque converter. The power goes straight to the wheels through a fixed ratio drive. And then there's S+ shift. Honda built a system that simulates gear changes with rev-matched downshifts, paddle shifters, and enhanced engine sounds. It makes this hybrid feel like it has a dual clutch transmission when it doesn't have a transmission at all. 4 drive modes let you dial in exactly how you want this car to behave. Now step inside, because this is where Honda went all in. The front sport seats are wrapped in perforated houndstooth leather with the Prelude logo embossed into the headrests. Blue contrast stitching runs across the dashboard, the steering wheel, the seats, everywhere. That same signature blue from the brake calipers. A 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster sits in front of you, 9-inch touchscreen with Google built in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, Bose 8-speaker audio system, synthetic leather with what Honda calls a cloud-like texture covers the center console. The rear seats exist, but they're tight. This is a 2+2 layout, and those back seats fold 60/40 to expand the cargo area. You get 15 cubic feet of liftback space, which is double what you'll find in a GR86 or a Nissan Z. But the real story is underneath. Honda gave this car the dual-axis strut front suspension from the Civic Type R, adaptive dampers from the Type R, and those lightweight Brembo 4 piston front calipers paired with 13.8-inch two-piece rotors. Also from the Type R, this is a Civic hybrid that borrowed the best performance hardware from one of the most capable front-wheel drive cars ever made. And it returns 46 miles per gallon in the city, 41 highway, 44 combined. The price is $43,195 including destination. That puts it between the Civic Si and the Civic Type R, closer to the Type R. Some people will say that's too much for 200 horsepower, but those people aren't paying attention to what Honda actually built. This is the only hybrid sports coupe under $100,000 in America right now, the only one. Drop a comment if you think Honda nailed it or completely missed the mark. And if you want to see what else is coming in 2026, the next video breaks down the wildest car nobody saw coming. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.